The famous rock band the Rolling Stones has a song that says, "You can't always get what you want, but if you try sometime, you can get what you need." There is an art to writing a user story, and it does get easier with experience. Intuition is required to determine whether your customer has told you what they need and not what they want. Where the skill comes in is defining what the user needs, just as Mick Jagger sang. This is why much of the literature on user stories mentions the product owner as the crafter of epics and often user stories as well. There are several reasons for this. 1. The product owner usually has worked for the company for a number of years and knows many of the stakeholders. 2. The stakeholders know the product owner, which makes it easier for the product owner to gather the information required for user stories. 3. They can also identify specific employees who have the required knowledge needed to contribute to a user story. And 4. They know how the company works and the organisational culture, as well as many of the policies, processes and procedures.